Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time, let me tell you tips for small townhouse interior design ideas. Well, hope you guys enjoy watching this video. In some cases, you will have no chance to obtain a large house if you choose to reside in a big town. A small townhouse can be more fascinating than the huge home if you recognize exactly how to make right interior design for it. 1. Idea for kitchen interior. A small kitchen in small townhouse can be a perfect room if you can play the interior design with bright colors or soft colors like blue and white. White color for the cabinet is already creating a pretty interior. 2. Idea for small bathroom. A small bathroom with limited space is much better to get a pretty interior design with white tiles and modern lighting in it. You can focus to design it with proper storage, especially using the wall to put floating shelves. It is much better if you have a functional interior design for your small bathroom. 3. Small living room. It is important to have a focal point for the interior design. When you feel your modern living room looks too usual just like other living rooms, then you can design the ceiling with antique architecture as decoration. 4. Stylish townhouse interior. You just need to use some simple furniture with simple decoration too. 5. Entryway townhouse design. Try to design entryway with an awesome roof and beautiful wall art. 6. Small laundry room design. You can focus on designing the storage. 7. Small mudroom design. You can add a small mudroom when you have small space left in your small townhouse. The white side with some baskets look extremely cuter. 8. Study nooks design. The best interior design for small study nook in a small townhouse is modern design as well as additionally utilizing open room idea. This good way can make the study nook looks bigger. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more video. See you on the next video.